Digits on the beat.
Hey you guys, this is Lana Christine again. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. This is another tutorial I'm going to do is how to crimp your hair. So first thing you need are some crimps. I'm using the bed head. It's called a Wave We Go. Hilarious. Anyway, I love these because they are adjustable. So if you want a deeper wave, you can do that, and you can adjust it to a smaller wave if you would like that as well. So the first thing we're going to do is detangle this hair, and then we're going to start to section off the hair. I'm just going to do it from side to side, as you see here. You don't want to take too much hair, so I'm just taking a section of the section that I left out, and I'm going to pin the rest back. And then you're going to want to use some type of holding spray. You can either use, I'm using Motions, but you can actually use Got2b if you would like, not too much. You don't want it to be too stiff, so that's why I say not too much. So I'm going in with my crimpers, and I'm going to start from the top of the head and go all the way down. Now I'm going to show you guys my method to crimping hair. So with the crimpers in particular, there is the adjustable plate in the middle and the top and bottom irons used to create the wave. Once you're done creating one wave, you're going to open your crimpers and place the top iron where the bottom iron was to start the next wave. I hope that makes sense, you guys, but you'll be able to tell as the video goes on. Also, you guys, you do not have to leave the iron on one section to make a wave for like 10-20 seconds. It does not take that long. I leave the crimpers on each section for about 5 seconds, and then I proceed to crimp the next section of the hair. So I'm finally done with one section of the hair, but I'm going to go ahead and do the other section off camera. So this is how it looks. This is how it came out. I did not comb it out. I just did the crimps the way that I showed you guys. Has not been touched since then. So now we're going to move to putting it on my head. And don't talk about me before I even show you my head. It looks a mess. But I did not have time to braid it down, so this is just what we're gonna have to do. I'm gonna go ahead and comb it all the way to the back, put it in a ponytail, and today I'm gonna use my wig cap, but I'm not gonna glue it down the way I usually do. I'm not gonna do the ball cap method. I'm just gonna simply put it on my head and apply the wig that way. And now we're ready to go. So I have my handy dandy wig. I'm going to put it on and just adjust it to where I want it to lay. I'm taking my Design Essentials Silk Serum. I always mess that word up. Silk Serum. And I'm going to lightly comb out the crimps with my fingers. So now I'm moving on to my edges. I'm going to just do this middle section because this is the only section that I am going to show off. So I'm going to take my black Got2b gel and just lay down my edges. So I'm back at it again with my electric hot comb. This is very essential. If you guys watch me, you already know this is a must-have when laying down a frontal. This is to assure that your frontal is laying very flat and on your head and looking very natural. So this is a must. If not the hot comb, you need either a wand curler or some kind of iron to make sure that the top is flat. So now I'm just touching up the back just to get rid of this big wave that I had at the top of my head. But I think that we are all done. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Thank you for 1,000 subscribers. I am on the road to 2,000 subscribers. So please go ahead and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one.